Right, I'm in the process of dry packing potatoes, and I put like a spoon of butter. I boiled the potatoes first for 5 minutes in hot water. Actually 2 minutes in hot water. And then I took them out and I strained them in here in a strainer. And then I put them in and put a pat of butter on the bottom with some seasoning. And I put them into the canner. And I'll let you see what they're like when I'm done. Just wanted to give you a close-up of this. See the butter in the bottom? And you process them for 10-pound pressure for 40 minutes. Okay, I can't take my potatoes out right now because I just took the lid off, and if you see, none of them sealed yet. They're all risen. But when I take them out, I'll let you see what they look like. When you take the lid off, I like to let them sit for, I guess, about 5 minutes or so. Right after I said that, one just popped. I think, oh, that one. That popped. These ones are still raised lids. Oh, wait a minute. 2 popped. I wish I would do it while I have this. Ah, there they go. 2 of them at a time popped. Sweet. Oh, another one. Popcorn. We'll be revealing the potatoes in a minute. I'm ready to take these out. Let me get the proper utensil. And here we go. You can see the butter in the bottom. And the potatoes. Oh, that one just sealed. And the potatoes look great. And so what you do is, when you finally open these, they're dry packed potatoes. And when you finally open them, the butter and everything's in them. You just pour it in a skillet and fry. And see a couple more. Then I'll pause it and take them all out. That looks good, huh? They look really nice. I soaked them in citric acid for about 5 minutes before I boiled them for 2 minutes. And then strained them and poured them into the jars. Hold on. All right, one just sealed. So I think they all sealed. Yeah. They all look like they sealed. And boy, do they come out nice, huh? And the stuff that you see there is seasoning. I put, well, we call it Scott seasoning. We mix a lot of seasoning together. There's a butter in the bottom of the potatoes. There's a seasoning in there. See? Some people don't like the way they turn brown. Well, they'll turn brown if you don't use, like, soak them in citric acid. And what a lot of people do is they also soak them overnight. Just had to add something. I just said, when I was speaking to the Lord, this is a nice way to save your potatoes. And I bet you these won't rot, stink, or grow eyes on them, right? All right. God is good.